How to get your teen to finally open up when nothing else works. You've tried everything, talking, asking, reminding, but your teen still shuts down, gives you one-word answers, or just disappears into their phone. It's like there's a wall between you, and every time you try to break through, it gets higher. So how do you actually get your teen to open up? Let's start with the truth. When your teen doesn't open up, it's not because they don't care. It's because at some point, their nervous system has linked up and decided it's not safe to. They've learned that talking often leads to correction, advice, or judgment, even when you don't mean it, especially when you don't mean it. That's why you have to do something most parents never do. You have to signal emotional safety before you say a single word. Here's how to do that. Step 1, the pre-frame of permission. Before you start talking, give your teen a reason to relax. Say something like, "Hey, you don't need to say anything right now. I just want to listen for a few minutes. I'm not here to correct or fix you or judge you. I just want to understand. That's it. And I promise that's all I want." That right there is a nervous system reset. You're letting their body know you're safe here. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, the 3-second rule. When they do start talking, even a little, resist the urge to respond straight away. Okay, count 1, 2, 3 in your mind before you say anything. Put that space between you, okay? Those 3 seconds of silence are where trust grows, because your silence says, "I'm not waiting to talk. I'm here to hear." Step 3, reflect. Do not react. Instead of jumping in with advice, say something like, "So, what I'm hearing is school's been feeling really heavy lately." Or, "Sounds like you're under a lot of pressure right now." That reflection tells their brain, "You get me. Oh, for once, you get me," right? And that moment of being understood is what reopens the whole relationship. And it's just something so simple, okay? When you do these 3 steps together, pre-frame of permission, the 3-second rule, and reflect, do not react, you shift your home from performance to safety. And safety is what makes your teen want to talk. If you've been feeling that painful silence in your home, if you miss the days when your teen actually wanted to talk to you, start with this tonight that I've shared with you in this video. Because when your teen feels heard, they start healing. And when they start healing, they start reconnecting. And that's when everything changes. Everything starts to change and literally unfold differently in the way that you want it to when you do this kind of thing. Okay, if this resonated with you, hit the follow button right now so you don't miss the next video. And send me a direct message if this was valuable to you or relevant to your situation. Tell me what's going on with your teen and I'll help you for free. Okay, just the first couple of steps for free. No selling, just a bit of help for free. Okay, so that you can start seeing real results with your teen and in your life.